Now I am going to tell you about FA3 model paper. See here children, Navodaya High School FA3 model paper, class 5th, subject EVS, syllabus volume 1, lesson 5 and lesson 6 in volume 1, okay, lesson 5 and lesson 6. See here children, first one, Roman number 1, choose the correct answers. Quran, Muslim, Bible, Christians. Right here D. Next, RICE is a first aid technique for sprain. SPRAIN. Right here B. Next, number 3. In Hindus mythology, the goddess of learning is Saraswati. Right here C. Next, the most unpredictable natural climate is thunderstorm. The most unpredictable natural climate is thunderstorm. Right here D. Next, according to Hindus, Dash is the creator. Dash is the creator, Brahma. Okay, C. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay, first one, India. In India, Zoroastrians are called Parsis, Parsees. Second one, a splint gives support to the broken bone, Splint. Next, rabies disease is caused by dog bite, rabies, RABIES. Next, Lumbini is the birthplace of Buddha. Fifth one, Bethlehem is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Next, germs can enter through a wound and cause infection. Next, see here, all snakes are not poisonous. Next, Roman number 3, spot any 5 possible dangers in the picture by circling them. Okay, course book 71, open course book. See here, circle, this is a dangerous, 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 dangerous. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇలాంటిదే ఇంకో పేపర్ వస్తుందమ్మా, మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి జాగ్రత్తగా. నెక్స్ట్, observe the given symbols and name the religions which they respect. Open workbook page number 39. See here, this is a, in this 39 table, read this table. Okay, practice at home this table. For example, see here, observe the given symbol, name the religions which they represent. This symbol Buddhism, this symbol Christianity, this symbol Islam, this symbol Hinduism. Okay, right here Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism. Okay, next, fifth one, observe the pictures, tick the first aid essential and cross the other. Open workbook 42 page. See here children, tick the first aid. These all first aid essential things. Example, observe the picture and tick the first aid. This is a essential, tick, cross, tick, tick. Next, cross, tick, tick, tick. Okay. Sixth Roman, observe the picture and name the followers of that religion. See here children, observe the picture and name the followers of the religion. Christianity, Christianity, Sikhism, Hinduism. Next, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Baha'ism, Judaism. Okay children, Judaism. Next, answer the following questions. What is the first one? What is yoga? What is yoga? Sorry children, what is religion? Open workbook page number 41. See here children. What is religion? Religion is a set of beliefs and practice to worship a superhuman controlling power, the supreme being of deity. Okay, read this question. 41 page first question. Next 41 page third question. Who are Catholics and Protestants? Catholics are the Christians who recognize the authority of people as their supreme religious leader. Next, those who do not recognize the authority of people, authority of pope pope are called Protestants. Okay, Catholics are the Christians who recognize the authority of pope as their supreme religious leader. Those who do not recognize the authority of pope are called Protestants. Okay, next last sixth question. What do you know about yoga? Explain briefly. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical, mental and spiritual body, mind, soul health. Okay children, 41 page 136, 3 questions, practice at home. Next fourth one. What is the first aid for a burnt skin if the burn are minor? See here children, cool the burnt skin with the cold water. If blisters are formed, don't prick them. Don't try to pull off the cloth stuck to the burnt part. If the burns are minor, apply antiseptic cream on that part to prevent infection and bandage it with a sterile cloth to protect it from. Next, how do you help a choking child? Ask the child to bend over and hit gently on his back between the shoulder blades, or give abdominal thrust inward and upward. If these techniques don't work, rush to the hospital immediately. Okay children, these 5 question and answers, practice at home. Okay children, FA3 model paper completed. Now you are open activity book in volume 2. Open 10th page activity book, our body system. Following the code and color the picture. Identify the internal body organ. See here, R red, B blue, P pink, Y yellow, D R red, dark red. See here children, ఇక్కడ ఆర్ ఉంటే రెడ్, ఇలా సింగిల్స్ ఈ లెటర్స్ కలర్స్ చూసుకున్నామా, నీట్గా కలర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ హార్ట్ ఆర్గాన్. నెక్స్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ బ్రెయిన్, heart, lungs, stomach, large intestine, liver, kidney, small intestine. Next, these stickers given in this book, last page, collect and paste here. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, kidney, liver. Next, color the digestive system as directed. See here children, undigested food is sent out pink color. Food is mixed with saliva, green color. Food is turned into a paste, blue color. Digestion of food is completed, orange color. Food passes through this and reaches stomach, gray color. See here children, color this picture. And next, see here, external excretory organ stick, large intestine, lungs, skin, kidneys. Next, see here, NERVOUS, nervous system. RESPIRATORY, respiratory system. CIRCULATORY, circulatory system. MUSCLE, muscular. Next skeletal, skeletal. Next reproductive, reproductive system. Next see here, excretory system, excretory. Next see here children, organsystem, organ system. Digestive system, digestive, digestive. Matching, see here children, muscular system, digestive system. Next see here skeletal system. Next see here, this is a excretory system. Next circular system, nervous system. Next this is a respiratory system. See here our constitution. Color the given national insignals of our country. Identify the national symbols. See here, national flag, national fruit, national bird. Next national flower. Color at home neatly and write here national flag, national fruit, national flower and national bird. Write national flag tricolors, national fruit mango, national bird peacock, national flower lotus. See here, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu, Maulana Azad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next see here 4, 1, 6, 5, 3, 2. Next page number 18. We the people. Serenity, secular, democratic, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, constituency, constitution. Next page number 19. Legislature, parliament, makes law, president of India. Next see here children, chief justice of India, judiciary, supreme court, puts law into action. Next see here, interrupts law, prime minister, secretariat and executive. See here children, these are fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Write here numbers 6, 2, 4, 7, 11, 9, 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 12. See here pictures. These pictures given in this book last page. Write here, paste here. Right to have a basic needs, right to have a good health, right to education, right to speak and express. Next, energy lesson. See here children, put L for light, H for heat, S for sound. L, S, H, S. Next H, L, S, H. Next L, S, H, L. Next S, H, L, S. Next see here children, mark F for fossil fuel and M for muscular energy, W for wind. Next E for electrical energy, W, W, F, E, E, F, M, W, F, M, E, W, W, E, M, F. Next page children, page number 24. Join the dots. This is a sun. Color the orange color. Okay. Next see here children, color at home. Next see here, this also draw solar powered house. Color at home. Next, energy in blue box and energy out in purple box. See here, solar, electrical, mechanical, light, electrical, mechanical. Next, iron box, electrical, heat, chemical, mechanical, electrical, sound. Next, solar, electrical, electrical, light, chemical, heat. Next, see here, chemical, electrical, heat, light, solar, mechanical. Next, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy K, potential energy P, and kinetic and potential energy both. Okay, M. See here children, this is a P, this is a K, this is a M. Next, P, this is a M. Both P, K, this also M. Next, renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source. See here, these stickers given in this book last page, paste here. Okay. Next, reverse livelihood. See here, children. Source, upper course, lower course, tributary. This also lower course, mouth. See here, children. First source, upper course, middle course, lower course. This is a tributary. Next see here, mouth, delta. Next see here, Cairo, Nile, Delhi. Next New York, Hudson, Varanasi, Ganga. Next Brahmaputra. Next Paris, Sinai. Next Krishna, London. Next Thomas. Okay. Next see here, children. See here, Bhagirathi, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Sutlej, dams. Narmada, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Krishna. See here, children, colors. ఈ నెంబర్ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటే అక్కడ ఆ కలర్ చేయండి అమ్మా ఈ పిక్చర్కి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ డాట్స్ అన్నీ కలిపి జాయిన్ చేసి కలర్ చేయండి. ఇక సీ హియర్ సమ్ నెంబరింగ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఏది ఏ నెంబరో వేయాలి. డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ 2, 8, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 1. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచింగ్ చూడండి. యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ, అక్వాకల్చర్, అగ్రికల్చర్, పౌల్ట్రీ, సెరికల్చర్, ఎపికల్చర్. నెక్స్ట్ జోవార్, ఎఫ్, రబ్బర్, పి, బనానా, హెచ్, షుగర్ కేన్, సి. Okay, next see here, coffee, P, jute, C, maize, F, mango, H, tobacco, C, wheat, F, lemon, H, tea, P, papaya, H, cotton, C, coconut, H, rice, F. Next our constitution lesson. ఈ డాట్స్ అన్ని జాయిన్ చేసేసి నేషనల్ ఫ్లాగ్లో ఉన్న కలర్స్ వేయాలమ్మ. ఇక్కడ నేవీ బ్లూ కలర్, నెక్స్ట్ డీప్ సాఫ్రాన్ ఆరెంజ్ కలర్, ఇక్కడ డార్క్ గ్రీన్ కలర్. ఓకే, నాగాలాండ్. నెక్స్ట్ 28, 8/28. నెక్స్ట్ 2 ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే. 11 పీకాక్. 3 లోటస్. 8 కేరళ. 6 రాజస్థాన్. 5 గోవా. 4 తాజ్ మహల్. 12 గుజరాత్. 9 వందే మాతరం. అండ్ 10 రిపబ్లిక్ డే. See here, children. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Assam, Dispur, Punjab, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, West Bengal, Kolkata, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Bihar, Patna, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Next page number 37. US state, union, state, union. Next union, state, union, state. Next, match the following. See here, children. Vote, parliamentary democracy. Next, see here, dictatorship. Next, oligarchy. Next, monarchy. Next, see here, children, anarchy. Next, president of democracy. Next, see here, union government, state government, local bodies, corporation, urban, municipality, rural, district panchayati, village panchayati, block, mandal, taluk. Next, gram sabha, local bodies, council, local bodies, prime minister, central government, parliament, central government, governor, state government. Next, central government, rashtrapati. Next, see here, children, state government, chief minister, local bodies, mayor. Next, state government, assembly. Next, see here, children, BJP, INC, TRS, TDP, BSP, AAP, AIADMK. Next CPI or M. Okay children, activity book activity is completed. Thank you.